welcome to the Hourglass Program. This is episode 3, the 10 minutes booty burn workout. So this workout is part of my Hourglass program and it's perfect for beginners to intermediates, and this will help to prepare you for my upcoming booty program that involves resistance. So don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on my new videos. And also don't forget to share your progress photos so that I can create a results video at the end of the program. And let's get started, guys. So we've got 18 exercises today, 30 seconds on and 5 seconds rest in between. Nice and easy, so lie on your mat and let's kick off with some single leg glute bridge. Have your foot over the other leg like so, and as you thrust upwards, make sure you're squeezing those glutes of yours. Now onto the other leg. Make sure you have your core engaged as well. Now flip around and have your left leg extended out and draw a rainbow with your leg. Again, really squeeze and work those glutes of yours. And now onto the other leg.
Losing my breath, running around my head. Been playing it cool, but I've been pulling the thread. Maybe I'm too hard on myself, and maybe it ain't good for my health. All I want
Now stay in the same position and we're doing some straight leg circles. I prefer to draw my circles outwards as it activates my glutes more, but try to adjust it until you feel maximum engagement on your glutes. So some people might feel it the other way around. Rest up and we're going to do the same on our other leg. And my booty was burning so badly at this point.
Been feeling the weight, don't wanna let it show. Looking up at the stars, cause I don't wanna feel low. Maybe I'm too hard on myself, and maybe it ain't good for my health. All I want
Now lie flat on the ground with your hands forward, and we've got flutter kicks next. Work those glutes as you lift your legs up. Stay where you are and we're going to do some frog kicks next. Remember to squeeze those glutes of yours. onto a side plank with one knee resting on the ground and the other leg lifted. And we're going to do some hip raises. This works the side of the glutes, and let me tell you, this really burns if you do it correctly. My butt was burning so badly here, and this exercise also works the core. So, score! Now onto the other side, and we're halfway through the workout, guys. Don't even think of quitting. You got this. Now lay flat on the ground with your feet together but your knees apart, and we've got some frog pumps. Just keep squeezing and pumping that booty, guys. Flip around and we're going to do some fire hydrant kicks. Lift your leg up sideways and then do a kick. This works the outer part of the glutes, giving you that nice round booty. And now onto the other leg. Stay in the same position and kick your legs diagonally upwards. This works the whole glutes and also the side of the glutes. Now onto the other leg, and just 4 more exercises to go, guys. Now lay on the ground on your side and touch the ground with your knee, then kick it diagonally upwards. The side of your booty should be burning right now, but keep going, guys. You can do this. Now onto the other side.
Hello?
And for the last exercise, we're doing a frog hold for 30 seconds. Try your best to squeeze your glutes as much as you can. If you need to release it, then do it and squeeze your butt again. Great work guys, you did it! Hope your booty is burning and you're feeling that pump. If you have enjoyed the workout, smash that like button and share some love by subscribing and turning on notifications. And I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!